Hey everyone, how you doing? Mr.Bookman here, and I will be reading The Story of a Story by Deborah, Hopkinson, and Hadley Hooper. Please enjoy. The Story of a Story. This is the story of a story. You arrived with a pencil or two, a big eraser, your favorite pencil sharpener, and a snack, and a healthy one. And of course, you bring your own eyes and ears, nose, and fingers. You bring your own mind and heart, your endless courtesy, and a deep longing to create, to write, to say something about the world, to tell a story. You bring all the invisible things that make you, you. For a long time, nothing much happens, except for some apples chewing and two broken pencils, and after a while there's a mostly empty page, another one, and still another. There are squiggles and there are doodles, but the words can't come. It is hard sometimes not to give up and walk away. It's easier and usually more fun to just to savor and enjoy all the literary splendid tales other writers have told. But other people's stories aren't exactly yours. So it's still here. An empty page, waiting, still calling to you. You make up your mind to try again. Maybe a cookie will help. You eat it at the window, nibbling like a teeny tiny bird to make it last. And that's when you notice the chickadee. He's been there all along, but now you pay attention. You watch him, visit the winter feeder, plugging away, single, teeny black seed at a time. You see how he swoops away from the crowd to eat in safety and peace on a nearby branch. This is how he makes a meal. Just one seed, and then another. It's hard work. It takes so much energy, concentration, commitment. But he's demanding not to give up. He comes back again and again. Just one seed, and then another. And then you look over at the empty page, your page. You go back, pick up your pencil. in just one word and then another. Yeah, well, looks like he's writing a story about the chickadee. How many of you have hard times trying to write a story or something? Let me know with a thumbs up if that has ever happened to you. Just curious if you had trouble writing or figuring out a story to write. Well, everybody, I hope all of you enjoyed this book reading, and if you did, give it a big thumbs up. Share it. If you're new and you came along this book reading, can you hit that red subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel and check out my other book readings I got plenty, so feel free to check them out. Also hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload, you'll be notified. And I want to welcome another new subscriber here to my channel. Welcome aboard. Hope you enjoy my channel. But until my next book reading, they call me Mr. Bookman. And this book reading's over. Have a good one. Take care, everybody.